Hey, hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my macaroni salad. Alright, I did 3 different dishes today. I did my macaroni salad, I did my jerk chicken, and my red kidney beans and rice, but in Guyana we call it cook-up. Alright, so you guys should look out for those other 2 videos, because this video is going to be the macaroni salad, but look out for my jerk chicken and my red kidney beans and rice. Alright, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my macaroni salad. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, so also please follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy. Hi guys, here's the ingredients to my favorite macaroni salad. First we have a macaroni here, a pack of macaroni elbows. We're only going to use half pack. We have some brown sugar, some raisin. I cut up some sweet pepper, finely chopped. I grate some carrots, finely chopped. I have some vinegar here, and we also have some mayonnaise, all-purpose seasoning, and some corn. So the first thing we're gonna do, I have my water already hot in there. So I'm gonna take some of the hot water and I'm going to pour it into my raisin so the raisin can loosen up a little bit. And then I'm gonna open the pack and put the macaroni in the pot. We'll be back. Okay, so I open my macaroni. I'm only gonna use half pack. I'm only gonna use half pack to make my macaroni salad. Yeah, I'm gonna go half pack here. And then I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon of salt into the macaroni. I'm going to put in my salt into the macaroni, and then I'm going to stir it and let it boil for about maybe 7 to 8 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, my macaroni has been boiling for about 8 minutes. It's finished boiling, so I'm going to strain it out now. Run it under the pipe with some cold water and let it cool down, and then we'll be back. Okay, so my macaroni has cooled down, so I'm going to throw it inside this bowl here. And I'm going to throw away the water that was in the raisin. Get a spoon. So the first thing you're going to do is put in the mayonnaise inside of the macaroni. So I'm gonna pour my mayonnaise inside the macaroni. Please check the description box for all the measurements for everything. All right, so I'm gonna put the mayonnaise and mix it up into the macaroni here, just like this. And then we're going to put in our sugar and mix it up as well. And then we're going to put in our vinegar. I got this recipe from my mom. She used to make this all the time, so she passed it on to me. I'm going to put in a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, not much. Mix it up, and you're going to put in our raisin as well, and some corn. We're going to put in our sweet pepper and our carrots as well. We're gonna mix everything together. See how it's looking so beautiful. Yummy. This macaroni salad is gonna taste so delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit more mayonnaise inside. So it can be creamy. Actually, I use the whole pack here. And you're gonna mix it up more. Alright. The salad looks so beautiful. Yeah. So we're gonna do now, I'm gonna taste it. See if it needs anything else more. Wow. Wow, this salad, this macaroni salad don't need nothing else. It's all finished here, guys. It's all finished. Let me place it and show you guys the end results. Okay guys, so this is the end results of my macaroni salad. I have some parsley flake here, so I'm just sprinkling it on top of the salad like this. Just sprinkling it like this. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this quick macaroni salad video. Please give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel as well. And please click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. And also, please follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright? Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys try this tasty macaroni salad. Alright? Take care. Bye.